Design Wash LED 60. This is an Elation motorized light, and it was having problems rotating left to right. What had happened is there's a little magnet on a post here. You can see where it's smashed. Hold on, let me find it. Right there. There's a magnet in the top, and this is on a post that's not supposed to move around like that, and there's a little sensor underneath here so that when it swings over it reads the magnet. And the magnet was stuck to the metal underneath the frame of the rotating arm. So I put the magnet back in its holder. It seems to work a lot better now.